Can you still make a fresh and healthy homemade meal at a reasonable cost with inflation ramping high during these days? Well, Linda is making dinner for two and our budget is $10. And here are the rules. We won't be shopping for basic items like salt and pepper, other spices that everybody has in the pantry. And we also won't add up the cost for things like cooking oil or cornstarch. Everything needs to be fresh, so we're not gonna use any canned food. And we also won't be shopping in the frozen aisle in the supermarket. So welcome at Linda's Home Kitchen and let's cook. So let's check the cost for our main ingredients. 2 chicken legs will set us back $2.74, 6 ounces of sour cream for $1.19, 8 ounces of white egg noodles $1.33, 12 ounces of chicken broth for 60 cents. We need 4 cloves of garlic that cost about 30 cents, a green bell pepper $1.25, a red bell pepper for $1.66, and 1 onion costs about 50 cents for a total of $9.57. First, let's prepare the ingredients. We're gonna chop the bell peppers, and to do so, we cut off both ends and we remove the core. And then you cut the peppers in strips, and now you can easily chop the bell peppers. By the way, for those who are new here, we are Linda and Stefan. We are a German-American couple. We have been married for about 25 years and we live in the countryside of Pennsylvania. We don't go out that often. We enjoy most of our meals at home. And I like to share Linda's awesome cooking with you on YouTube. So if you want to support a small mom and pop channel, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, or hit the bell for notifications. That would really help us a lot. So next we're gonna chop 1 onion. Cut it in half, make a couple horizontal slices, a couple vertical slices. Now we can easily chop them and end up with nice uniform pieces. Next we're gonna chop 4 cloves of garlic. If you crush them first, they're easy to work with. And it also helps activating the flavor in the garlic right away. So next we're gonna season our chicken legs with salt and pepper on both sides. Chicken legs or chicken quarters are one of the more economical cuts. Can't beat $1.37, much cheaper than chicken breast. But because it's dark meat, it's also juicier and way more flavorful. So we also season our chicken legs with sweet Hungarian paprika. And now we heat up 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in our Dutch oven over medium heat. Now we add the chicken legs to the Dutch oven, skin side down, and brown them for 4 minutes. Then we flip them over and we brown them on the other side for 4 minutes as well. So let's take them out and put them on the side, let them rest a little bit. As you can see on the bottom of the pot, there are a lot of brown bits and pieces. That's a lot of flavor. So we're gonna add our onions to it and saute them until they're lightly brown. So onions look good. Now it's time to add our bell peppers and we're gonna saute them until they are soft. Now we're going to add our garlic and cook it for maybe a minute until it's fragrant. And we're also going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Stir everything to combine and let it cook for a couple minutes. Next we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sweet Hungarian paprika and mix really well. Now it's time to add our chicken stock. And we return our chicken legs to the sauce. Cover the pot and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes. So, and before we add our sour cream to the sauce, we need to temper the sour cream. We do that by adding some of the sauce to the sour cream and stir it in. This way we increase the temperature of the sour cream a little bit. And this way it won't curdle when we add it to the sauce. So this looks good now. Let's add it to the sauce and slowly stir it in. Next we mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 4 tablespoons of water. Whisk it into the sauce and bring it to a slow simmer, and that will help us to thicken the sauce a little bit. Season the sauce with a little salt and pepper to taste. Add the chicken legs back in and let it simmer on low for about 5 minutes. Today we're gonna serve it with egg noodles. We're gonna cook about 8 ounces, but if you prefer potatoes, I think the sauce will go really well with potatoes also. So now we are ready to plate it. First we make a bed with the noodles. Put the chicken leg on top. Pour the awesome sauce on top of it. And if you like, you can decorate it with some pepper rings. Put a little bit of sour cream on top. And here you have it, Hungarian Chicken Paprikash for $5 a plate. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, yours truly, Linda and Stefan.